Today is going to be different. We are showing you a luxury brand new house, a legal duplex for all investors or for the families who are planning to live in one unit and rent the second unit legally. Let's go and discover the house together.
So Sarah, I see the front driveway or the front yard is not finished yet. This is going to be finished, right?
It is going to be finished by the builder, and also this house has a 7 years warranty by Tyrone.
Okay.
Let's go and check it out.
And even the back driveway is not
Yes.
finished yet. And I see this is the entrance probably for the basement for the second unit.
Yes.
And the finishes,
I think the backyard, it's not a backyard, it's a driveway, but at the back, but it's going to be paved, and I think it's going to fit almost to 3-4 cars.
That's
so
good.
if you're living in one unit and you also have a tenant in the second unit, you will have a space for them.
Yeah, and you guys can see how high this house is. So you can see even the front has like a natural stone, siding, stucco, kind of mix of all the good materials all together.
Yes, looks luxury from the outside, but wait until you see the inside. We've never seen it, so let's go and discover it together.
First time. I like the huge door.
I like also the colors, the matching colors for
Yes.
the frontage of the house. Here, I think we start with the living area. This is the whole space. It is a staged house at the moment, just so you can see the space. They have 2 living areas, one here, one there.
It's an open concept to the kitchen.
This is a dining area over here, dining table. This is the kitchen. Let's turn on the lights so we can see it even better.
You can see pot lights all over, and I like the amount of windows. Like, even if it's not a corner
Yes.
unit, but you can see lights coming from everywhere.
And I like the ceiling height.
Yeah.
And also the size of the windows. If you can see, like, there's 2 picture windows on that side and there's 2 big windows on this side. It's amazing. Like, it brings natural lights all day long.
I like the shape of these 2 windows. They look different and unique. They look like the house.
Oh yeah,
from
I didn't know there's a second one over there. I thought it's only
there's
one.
2 windows
okay.
here.
I like the style.
Yeah. And I like the glass
So unique.
they have here.
This shape of windows, we don't see it in a lot of houses.
Yeah, this is custom.
I like the cabinet size. It's up from the ceilings to here, so gives you more space all over and more storage as well. I like the color of all of these cabinets, the granite top as well.
We're seeing the appliances which will be coming as well.
Yes. Here is going to be the fridge and here is going to be the stove. And I like that they added this one in here.
It's a very nice touch.
Even if it's a duplex and for investors, but they're actually taking care of all the details. And this is also going to affect the amount of rent that you're going to list it for. So something like this, of course, is going to be higher than everything around here.
Probably getting like an A+ tenants, or the house is livable. Like, if you buy this house and you want to live in this floor, it's perfect. It's like you're living in a luxury house.
It's not even livable. It's perfect for you.
It's perfect. Yeah, it's more than livable. And you have also the nice backsplash to the ceiling.
Yes. So do you know what is this for?
So this is where the hood will be here.
Oh yes,
you know
right.
where you cook? Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is gonna be the stove here. Okay.
Stove and hood on the top.
Okay.
Your
Let's
dishwasher is
see
going to be on this side. You have a double sink with a granite top. I like the texture. You feel it? Usually they just have it loosey and
I think
smooth.
this is a quarters.
This one, it's not. It's very unique material.
All the colors
Feels
here are so amazing. Let's see what is.
Sarah, what is this door for? Before we go?
I think this door takes us to the basement.
Could be locked. No. Oh, this is not a storage.
Okay, this is a
Like your pantry, basically.
This is it is a
like
pantry.
a pantry, yeah.
It is.
That's good. I thought it's for the basement.
We will have a door.
We
for
will
the
have a
basement.
door.
Okay, so here we have the first
Right
bedroom.
here. Okay.
We have a big closet. with 2 doors here. And here we have the bathroom.
Okay, so this is like a master
basically
bedroom.
a master bedroom. This is the full bathroom that has
Tile looks really nice. And I like the light fixture.
I like the light fixtures in everywhere in this house.
You can see the vanity with the granite top.
Yes. And I like here where they put this one.
Niche.
Yes. The size of the bedroom, I think this is a queen bedroom. It fits very well in here. Let's see what we have, I think. Okay, this is a powder bathroom.
Bedroom. Oh, powder bathroom.
Powder bathroom, yes.
Just a vanity and a toilet here. Yes. It's good. Let's see what here.
And this is another.
Okay, so this is your
the,
your water tank
yes.
and stuff, or like a mechanic room. Basically, mechanic area.
This is the mechanic area. Yes.
This is your furnace.
And you can add a door here just so you can close it and keep it
And
safe.
here is where you're gonna have your own laundry, because remember, this is a duplex. So this is gonna be the place for your laundry. So you can see, even they made the floor in a way that you can, okay, if you drop some water, it's gonna be okay. And these are all the hookups for the laundry.
And if you are living in a duplex or a triplex, the best thing you want to have in your unit is to have a separate laundry for every unit.
Yeah.
This is the back door for the. This is the driveway, the back driveway.
Stairs here and a driveway here.
Yes. I think it fits almost 4 cars, isn't it?
Yeah, 2, 3, 4 cars. I think it will work out here perfectly. And Sarah, when we were going inside,
and I think it's more than enough for people who are going to live in this house.
Oh yeah, and remember, you also have street parking.
Second most important thing to have in a duplex is a separate meters, because imagine if there's 5 people living in this unit and there's only 2 people living in the basement. It's going to be unfair. Separate meter is going to be amazing.
Yeah, and you guys can see the space, how big the space is. I'm just getting away from Sarah just to show you the scale of the place. It's really good.
Over there so they can move.
That's more than enough. And Sarah, I even like the flooring, the mix between the tiles and the flooring. It's really good. And if you see the color of these tiles, they have them in a color. Usually this comes in a black, but they did it in a different color that matches the flooring.
Yes.
So here
matches the flooring and also the door color that they have here.
And the door as well.
A big main door over here. There's a glass railing here with the wood. Do you see like the matching materials?
Yeah. So I have 1 full bedroom in the basement and the main floor.
I thought this is a second upper unit, but it's not. So this is also including with the main floor that we've just seen. But there's even more bedrooms. So we've seen a master bedroom on the main floor. This is another bedroom with a closet and a big window.
2-door closets.
And also the ceilings are high ceilings. And we have lights.
Yeah, both lights everywhere. A light fixture.
This is a 3rd bedroom in this unit, with also a big closet over here and a big window.
And lights everywhere. Sarah, I like the attention for this builder. It's like they put the smoking alarm everywhere. In every bedroom you have smoking alarm. Like we had 2 here, 1 right here, and 1 right here, and 1 here.
Usually we only see like smoking alarm only in the aisle.
Yeah,
here.
which is they're really taking like an extra steps.
I like the texture of the door and also like the style. We have a full bathroom, and also look at the what they are using for the tiles here.
Yeah,
the same
tiles.
Kind of tile. Like even the floor here, the same tiles on the main floor we just seen. I love it. I'm in love.
To keep the same identity of the house everywhere.
Let's see what else we have. So I think this is gonna be the 4th bedroom. This is a smaller than other bedrooms, but this could be an office, or maybe if you have a kid, or maybe a single bedroom here. And we also have a closet and a big window.
And you also have the lights and the smoking alarms.
Let's see. Probably this is the second master bedroom for this unit.
This one looks really good, to be honest.
Amazing.
It's lovely.
So nice. Look at the size. They are putting basically everything you need in your bedroom, and there's still more area to move around and to add more stuff. Like for example, a lot of lights. Exactly. This is what we need, especially in the brand new houses. We need to see more windows than old built houses. Let's see what's here. This is a balcony, but we shouldn't go outside at the moment.
Don't do it, Sarah.
No way.
Not today.
I don't want to even step here because I don't know what is the in which process they are in right now. Is it ready, or are they waiting?
I think it probably just needs like the railing and it will be done. But don't risk it.
I don't want to try.
Let's make sure they get it done first.
Yes. But I like that you have a balcony in your
It's a huge one.
Master bedroom.
Like, it's a huge one. It goes all the way around the house. That's really cool. And Sarah, I like the way they put these light fixtures. Like, instead of having a side table light, they put it in a way that's coming from the ceiling.
Wait until midnight and you turn them on, and you see, like, if you're reading a book or you don't want to disturb the person who's like beside you, and open this light, you can only open the light that you have beside your head. It's gonna be very unique, isn't it?
Love it.
Of course, we have a walk-in closet, a big walk-in closet here that fits very well for 2 people in here. And let's see the last part, which is the master bedroom bathroom. Look at the lights fixtures here. They chose the different ones.
Yeah. I think they made it like this one is different than the other ones, this bathroom. But the tiles look similar than the ones in the main floor, Sarah.
Yes.
So it's like they're telling you these are the ones for the master bedrooms only.
Yeah. They are matching all the colors of the tiles everywhere in this house. So they are not mixing just different colors on each part of this house. Look at the wood vanity here.
And again, you have your granite here.
I really like the color mixing between this color, the wood, and also the black. It just fits very well.
So if you think that's it, no, we're not done. This is only the first part or the first unit of this house.
We need to get out and see the second unit, and I'm thinking it's the basement.
Yeah.
But the thing is, we didn't see any door for the basement yet, so I think we have to go outside.
It's the side door because, again, just like we said, this is a legal duplex, so it's not something that's just people making up. No, this is built by the builder
and you cannot,
to be a duplex.
You cannot enter the basement from this unit. We have to go outside and...
So, let's just lock these doors first. Side door for the basement, and again, look at the details. Are you excited? I'm very excited, to be honest. Let me just show them what I mean by the separate meters. So these are separate meters for the upper and the basement unit. These are the egress windows. These are one of the requirements that you have to do when you're doing or finishing a legal basement. And it's not just that, like even it has 2 separate electrical panels.
All right, let's see what we have here.
As soon as you walk in.
First, walk in a small closet for your jackets or for your shoes. Let's go downstairs.
So we have tile right here, and here as we go down a little bit.
You gotta see this.
Wow. Look at these big windows.
It doesn't feel that you are in a basement at all.
It's high ceiling. So this is bedroom 1 probably. Yeah.
Look at the height of the ceilings and the size of the windows. And also you have this whole space. You can add some
decorations. Sit here.
Yeah. I think this is, yes, this is the mechanic room.
So to see, that's what I mean by panels.
This is the electric panel.
So I've seen one on the main floor. Maybe I didn't film, but there's one on the main floor, and this is the second panel. So every unit has a different panel.
And here is where you put your laundries, the washer and dryer, and they put everything here for your stuff.
Exactly. Second laundry here, and mechanic room, the outdoors here.
Let's go and see how many bedrooms we have on this unit. This is just a storage space for this unit, and
so this is a storage, and I think, yes, Sarah, this is not just, it's a storage also, and has a sump pump.
Oh, okay, that's amazing.
There's a sump pump here.
That's a great feature.
Sarah, did you tell them what does the sump pump mean?
Sump pump just to prevent the flooding that happening in most houses.
Yeah. When I have a sump pump, most likely their house will not flood.
Yes. We have a big window on this side, and this is the kitchen, and it looks exactly like the main floor. All the colors are the same, which is great. Here we have the fridge on this side, and this side's gonna be your stove and the hood on that side. And also I like that all the cabinets are attached to the ceilings, so it also gives you this a lot of space for your kitchen and for your storage.
I really like it. I think because it matches whatever you have on the top, so that's really good. Backsplash everywhere to the ceiling.
Double sink.
You have a double sink, deep double sink, and again you have a granite here. It's really cool. And Sarah, one of the reasons that maybe the light is not big right here, because one of the light fixtures they're just working on them still. You can see they're adding a light fixture here. So if you see it not lit enough, it will have more light as soon as they add this light.
And I think this is gonna give a huge difference.
Huge difference, yeah. Yes.
This is the second bedroom. I think this is the master bedroom. Or maybe not. There's no bathroom, but I think the size is pretty big. It's bigger than the other bedroom that we've seen, but there's a walk-in closet in here.
It's a huge one.
It is a huge one.
Huge walk-in closet here. And again, the big glass windows everywhere.
And we have pole lights, of course, don't forget the pole lights.
The pot lights everywhere, just like we see in the upper unit. And you have the smoke alarm and everywhere, so they can take care of people living in the basement.
Okay, this is the only bathroom we have for the basement.
So sometimes builders leave some stuff to the end because they want to ask the occupier, the buyer, what do you want? Because they have a lot of different selection of materials. They would give them the option to choose the kind of mirror they want, some stuff like this.
And this is even nicer. We have all the tiles here, the same tiles that they use on the main floor. So they are also matching here.
I have a tab here, and here they're adding the niche. And just so you can see this, the insulation, the way the good work they have been done. And they're just putting that extra piece at the end to complete the niche. Just like the other ones we've seen here, the black piece, it's gonna be right here. This is very important as well, like it's a separate climate control for main floor and for the basement. This is your ventilation system, and also you have your heating and cooling control from the basement.
If you have any questions about this property, you can give us a call. Our number is gonna be on the screen. And if you wanna watch more tours like this, watch this video next.